Hi students, I'm Dhamya Jasim from Al Mustansiriya University College of Arts Department of English Language and Literature. Today I'm going to present the topic linguistics, this book Linguistics by Jane Aitken. So I'm going to present a lecture for the student of third year students. Now we have an overview defining linguistics, what is a linguist, traditional grammar versus linguistics, scope of linguistics. We will tackle each topic aside. Defining linguistics. Linguistics can be defined as the systematic study of language, a discipline which describes language in all its aspects and formulates theories as to how it works. This is a general definition, and linguistics is interested in providing answers for different interesting questions about language, such as what is language and how does language work. Concerning defining linguistics, we can also define linguistics which explores different aspects of these two broad questions. Thus, it attempts to answer more specific questions such as what do languages have in common? And what range of variation is found among languages? How does the human language differ from animal communication? Of course, we don't say animal language, we have to say animal communication because animal does not have a language. How does a child learn to speak? Why do languages change? To what extent are social class different reflected in language? So the linguistics will answer the whole questions above. Let us tackle what is a linguist. A linguist is a person specialized in linguistics. The one who is interested in studying linguistics, we call him a linguist. A linguist describes languages but doesn't prescribe or dictate how to use them. For linguists, all languages and all aspects of a language are interesting and worth in-depth analysis. For linguists, the patterns of any language are more important than the physical substance out of which they are made. Here we have another topic, which is the differences between traditional grammar versus linguistics. Traditional grammar, as we all know, which is an old method to study and teach language, while linguistics, which is differ from traditional grammar in a number of respects. We will tackle each one aside. Linguistics is descriptive, whereas traditional grammar is perspective. Number 2, unlike traditional grammar, linguistics doesn't force any language into the framework of another. Number 3, traditional grammarian is known for their interest in studying written language only. In contrast, linguists tend to be interested in analyzing both written and spoken forms of language. Here we have a scope of linguistics. Concerning the scope of linguistics, linguistics is a discipline that covers a wide range of topics. This makes its boundaries with other neighboring disciplines difficult to define. A diagram here in the shape of a wheel gives a rough impression of the range covered by the core linguistic levels and its subdisciplines. This scope should be learned by heart. The scope of linguistics, of course, in the core of this wheel, we have phonetics, and students, phonetics and phonology, of course, you have tackled them in first and second year. So here we have certain definitions or simple definition for each discipline or for each division of linguistics. Phonetics studies how speech sounds are produced or transmitted and perceived. Of course, according to the three branches of phonetics, here are the division. Phonology is a subfield of linguistics that deals with the classification, distribution, and function of speech sounds in a language. Syntax is a subfield of linguistics that deals with how words are arranged to form phrases and sentences. Semantics is a subfield of linguistics that deals with linguistic meaning. Thank you very much, students, for today.